What? Who are you? What do you mean come over here and talk to you? I don't have to talk to you.
Yes, you do. Okay.
Says who?
Let me finish. Okay. They're calling and saying that you're creating a traffic hazard over here. What are you doing?
Really?
Yes, really. That's why I'm here.
Well, they're lying.
I'm not here playing around, okay?
I'm not here playing around either.
Okay. Well, what's the reason?
What's your name and badge number?
Thomas.
Thomas?
THOMAS 421-421. That's my badge number.
All right, you're dismissed, okay? Thomas.
I'm not dismissed.
Yeah, you are.
Okay, no, you're being detained right now.
For what? What crime did I commit?
You're creating a traffic hazard. They're calling it in.
How?
And you're not wanted here. That's how.
I'm on public. I'm not on their property.
What are you doing here?
None of your business.
It is.
No, it's not.
If I'm getting calls for this, it is my business.
Where's your supervisor?
Right here.
Are you the supervisor? Yeah, he's the supervisor. You're not gonna correct her? Here, go ahead. Oh, no problem. Will you let her know that I have the right to record right here?
Yeah, what are you
Huh?
doing?
I'm just recording, man. It's not my fault that they didn't like it.
I didn't say you couldn't record. Okay?
Let's go find out what they want.
Huh? But when we have calls,
You're dismissed.
then that's a bad
You're dismissed.
I'm not dismissed.
Bye-bye.
Because you're not my boss.
You're dismissed. I am. Damn, Gina.
Okay. So, you can record all you want, do whatever you want, but here's the thing that we have an issue, okay? Don't obstruct the trucks that are coming in. I don't know if you work them in the middle of the street. I don't know. I'm not here to take sides. However, you do need to stay away from their path of travel, okay? Onto the property. Do what you gotta do. Record however you want, all right? Just do not impede the truck drivers that are coming in here, and don't impede the traffic that's coming in, okay?
Don't forget to tie your shoes.
I don't have to tie them. Thank you very much. So.
Okay.
Any other questions?
You are dismissed.
Actually, I'm not dismissed. I have a job to do, and I'm leaving.
Yep,
Have
that's
a
what
good
I
day.
thought. Bye.
I hope you're getting paid for.
Bye, Felicia. Oh, I am getting paid, just to let you know.
She had an attitude on her, huh? But we must remember that just because someone called the cops on you doesn't mean you lose your rights. Law enforcement officers cannot lawfully detain someone unless they have reasonable articulable suspicion that you have committed a crime. Cop egos often get in the way of them properly investigating if a crime was committed. Luckily, her supervisor was present, so she thought it was a good idea to investigate. Knowing your constitutional rights is crucial for protecting yourself and ensuring that your fundamental liberties are upheld. When the police are called on you and the caller falsely accuses you of a crime, being aware of your rights allows you to respond appropriately and assert your innocence. Just like Tulare Cop watched displayed in this clip. Welcome back to CT3, Best ID Refusals.
A fire department. I think firefighters are heroes for sure, but
Hey, how's it going? How's it going?
how's it going?
Can I help you out, though?
Nah, I'm good.
What are you doing here?
What was that?
What are you doing here, sir?
Taking pictures. Exactly what you see, brother. What you see is what you get.
What are you taking pictures of, though?
So everything around the area. Cool. All right. No, I'm good. They asked the same thing.
You sure we can't help you with anything?
Yeah, pretty sure. That's why I said no like 3 times already, huh? I'm good. I appreciate it though.
Okay.
This chick's getting on her phone. Oh yeah, she's trying to take a picture. I knew it. Came back. Hey, don't erase that. You just made a public record. I'm gonna request it, lady. You heard me. If you do, you committed a crime. So I'm not going to spare them, even though I don't do firefighters. I am not going to spare them anything that I wouldn't normally do on another audit, on another public employee conduct check. That tire needs air. Super soft. So, you know, like I said, usually I wouldn't do it, but, you know.
Can't touch the vehicle.
What was that?
Can you please stop putting your feet on our rig?
Oh, I'm just checking the tires out.
Picture of this please.
Oh, I'm just checking the tires out.
No, that's not okay.
That's okay.
You can't touch it.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
Yeah, we can touch them.
This is private property. You can't touch the vehicle. What are you doing, sir?
No, we can touch them. That's why I'm touching it.
Please stop.
Listen, I can touch the vehicle all I want.
Stop touching the vehicle.
No.
Why are you touching it?
I can touch the vehicles all I want.
One thing that's public property technically for you to take.
It's private, right?
But we're asking you to not touch our private property. Taking pictures of a public building is one thing.
This is somebody's private vehicle?
Why would you go to a fire station and just...
Is this somebody's
kicking
private
and
vehicle?
touching things?
Well, I haven't kicked anything.
You just did. We saw
Yeah,
it twice.
this is not kicking. This is putting my foot and checking a tire. This is somebody's private vehicle. Is this what you said?
This is property of the station.
Huh?
Is
Which is public.
property of the station.
Which is public.
That doesn't mean
The
that you
public
can touch
can't.
it.
It does.
Touching it is one
Yeah.
thing. Touching it.
Not
Kicking
true.
it. Kicking it is a different thing.
That's not true. And I didn't kick anything.
Did you get color cops?
I have it on camera.
Did you get color cops?
This is public property. This is not private property. It's all public.
This is a
That's fine.
private company.
Film it. Okay.
You're a private company. River Delta is a private company.
No, I'm not River Delta.
Okay, well, I don't know who you are, but this is River Delta, so.
It's a private ambulance company. We share property.
Oh, well, you could be private, but they're public, so doesn't matter what you are. If they're public, we're allowed to be here. So.
You're allowed to be here. You're not
Correct.
allowed to just
You're
go to
allowed
a
to
fire
be here.
station
You're
and
allowed to
touch
film. You're
touch
allowed to
vehicles.
do all
Yes,
that.
we can. We can do. Let me ask you a question. What law would say that I couldn't touch this vehicle?
You think you can just go to any fire station and just
Yeah.
repair a vehicle?
Yep, for sure.
Why?
Why couldn't you? Right? This is a public vehicle. This is public property. This is owned by the public. It's not owned by you guys. It's owned by the public. It's paid for by the public. There's no law that says I can't come touch this vehicle like you're saying. All I did was check the tire. I don't see what the issue was there. It's not like I'm trying to hop in the vehicles, right?
If you're here and you're touching it and you're damaging the vehicles, that is a huge issue because if the vehicle no longer becomes functional, how can we use it for our job?
That's cute. What did you see me do that could potentially damage this vehicle?
You kicked it.
I kicked it. So this putting my foot here like this and pushing could potentially damage the vehicle? Is that really your claim?
Yes.
It could.
Oh boy. This is crazy. That's fine. The cops are gonna tell you guys nothing they can do, and you guys should just go back to work. So, their claim here is me potentially damaging the vehicle, if I'm understanding them right, is touching it like I did with my hand when he told me not to touch it like this, and kicking. This is their kicking. Me putting my foot up here and pushing on the tire. This is potentially damaging this. What is it, a 2500? That's probably a 1500, maybe a 2500 rig. Let's see, is it diesel? So this is probably, I don't see their can. Anyway, I'm done speaking with these people here, so we can go ahead and continue what I'm doing. So yeah, this is public property. Okay, I have every right to be here. I have every right to come and record. If I feel like checking a tire, I can do that, right? There's nothing stopping me because this is public. All you guys are just public servants. You work for the public. You're not, but I don't care. I'm not even speaking with you. So you're interjecting yourself in the conversation. I have no conversation with you at all. Go ahead. Wait for him. Wait for him. They're just going to say there's nothing we can do. Can I get all your guys' names, by the way?
No, you don't need it.
But I'm not talking to you. Stop interjecting yourself. You want to be so important. I don't understand why.
You don't need my name.
Yeah, I do. You work for the public. I need your name.
No, he's not lying. He
Just
doesn't identify himself to you.
Silence.
He's not lying. He does not.
Hey, raise your hand if you want to talk, bud. Listen, raise your hand if you want to talk to me. I need your names because you guys are public employees, and because of what you're telling me and the way you're acting, I'm going to file complaints against you. It's called a citizen complaints.
They're volunteers.
Doesn't matter. They're working for the public. This he just has to say something. Look at this guy. Let me know who this guy is, ladies and gentlemen. We'll get all his Facebook info and all that shit.
Well known.
Get a good picture of him. Anyways, yeah, you guys have to identify yourselves. You're firefighters, right?
I don't have to. I'm not on call. Who are you?
You're a firefighter. I'm asking your name. You have to identify yourself. You better check your policy because I know your policy.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. I don't. It's right there on the internet. I don't know your policy. Yeah, you have to identify yourself to a member of the public when they're asking your name. Especially if they're going to file a complaint against you like I'm saying. How do I file a complaint if I don't know your name? Okay, I'll get it. You're not going to give it to me right now, but I'll get your name. It's fine. I'll get all your guys' names. Because what I do is I'll file a public information request. I'll take pictures and screenshots of my video, send them in, get everybody's name, salary, your employee file. You clearly have an attitude problem, so you probably have some issues in your employee file, and we'll get that and put it out there too. So, yeah, you got like a little kid attitude. You're a bit young.
Talk to you disrespectfully in any way?
No, it's
Come over to my brand new truck and start kicking it.
it's not yours.
It's part of my department, and I.
It is the public's. I pay for this shit. You paid for it?
Yes.
Well, how?
Department in general.
How does the department get money, sir?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. I know about it. They get money from taxes. My taxes pay for this.
This whole department is volunteer, sir.
So volunteer, good. Thank you for your service. Doesn't matter if you volunteer. This is all paid for by tax money. So great, you guys volunteer. You're a fire department. You work for the public. You get paid for by public tax dollars. Period. Right? Is that correct? You agree? None of you guys are paid. Okay. Well, either way, this is all paid for by public tax dollars. So I can record them. What? It doesn't matter. Public tax dollars.
You're not even part of that public. This is a special district. It's not a regular.
It doesn't matter. Special districts have public records too. I do this out special water districts, all kinds of places. So
Job, nothing better to do. Bother people.
don't have a regular job. I'm working right now.
Yeah, you don't have a regular job. Just bother people.
It's just bothering people. I didn't come up to you guys at all. You came up to me.
You drove out the middle of nowhere.
I came out and started looking at stuff and taking pictures. I haven't talked to you. I'm not bothering you. You're bothering me. You're actually stopping me.
Not there before you got here.
Okay.
As far
Your
as I know,
point.
you did that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
In fact, that's actually what I'm going to report.
Yeah, report it.
You did that.
You're going to report that I did that? Awesome. Well, do it. I hope you do.
Before you were here.
Yeah, so I didn't have none of that, right? Cool, awesome. So this dude said he's gonna file a false police report on camera, like what a dumb comment to make. Well, on camera, he's gonna file a false police report and say that I did some damage to this vehicle.
I just said that wasn't there before you got here.
No, you said, I'm gonna report that you did that.
I'm going to report that wasn't there before you got here.
All right, I'm done talking to you, bro. You're just not intelligent enough to have this conversation. Anyways, public property. I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing, then I'll be on my way. See you guys later. Oh boy. I always find it funny when it's like, don't touch our vehicles, don't touch this. Bro, why are you claiming ownership over a public vehicle? Private vehicles I won't touch. I'll take pictures of them, but I won't touch them.
Where's the same results on these ones?
It doesn't.
Oh, that's weird. This private vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay. So is this...
I'm glad you could tell the difference now. It's good. Good job. Clearly this guy's a big fan. And he was just waiting for his opportunity to talk to somebody who comes with the camera. All right. You guys called the sheriffs? They're gonna take forever.
That's fine.
It's fine? Oh, well, to you. That one, that's 25 tag. Awesome. You want to not try to bump into me and get away from me, buddy? Yeah, trying to bump into me. I see what you're doing. This guy, he likes to get close. Just a couple feet away. He likes to stay real close to me. It was funny. So you guys got something better to do than just stand around?
Stand around and
Was
make sure you-
standing around? Yeah, like the one I already damaged, right? Yeah.
Are you gonna
Yeah.
touch the vehicles?
Huh?
Are you gonna touch and damage the vehicles?
Am I gonna touch and damage the vehicles? I'm not gonna damage anything.
You're taking photos. How can I tell you're not going to damage the vehicles?
I mean, it's really not your job to be able to tell or not.
To make sure that
That's awesome.
vehicles aren't damaged. I think that's something that we should care about. Is it not?
Care about your vehicle. But what do you see me doing? Do you see me? Let me see.
That's why we're here, to make sure.
I don't see any rocks. Do you see me picking up rocks and throwing them at your vehicle, or coming out with a hammer and busting your windows? See me on the public vehicles. Yep, which I can do. Have every right to do it.
Right
So
next to the private ones.
And did you see me touch a private one? I'm sure you guys heard me. Now the private ones I won't touch. I'll take pictures of them, but I won't touch. I just said it. I just said it, but you don't want to listen.
Lots of possibilities.
You just want to argue. It's your thing. You probably been watching these videos. You've been waiting for your chance to act a fool on them and see yourself on YouTube. You're doing a good job. Thank you. I appreciate it. You're making me money, so good job, bud. Oh, did those. Don't need to do those. Excuse me, fellas. There you go. What else?
Is that black pickup over there yours?
What's that?
Is that black pickup that parked behind the trees over there yours?
No, I don't got a black pickup.
Whose pickup is it then?
No, I have no clue.
How'd you get here?
None of your business. I don't know who you are, bud. None of your business.
No, I'm the chief here.
Okay.
I want to know
Good
what
job,
you're doing
Chief.
here and how you got here.
Doesn't matter how I got here. It's none of your business.
You're either going to tell me or you're going to tell the sheriff.
That's
One
what
of the
you
two.
think.
Okay?
That's what you think. That's fine.
That's what I know.
Okay.
Okay?
Good for you.
Okay.
Cool. What's your name?
Chief Gardner.
Oh, good to meet you.
I'll give you my telephone number too. I'll give you my wife's name if you want.
I could look it up. I'm sure I'll be able to get it.
I'm sure you can.
Look at this dude. Blood pressure's through the roof right now.
Film all you want.
I know. So what's the issue?
That black pickup over there is not yours.
I told you I don't have a pickup.
Okay, so
What's the issue?
I'm going to run the plates right now. It's not going to come back
What
to you.
is your issue?
We have your name, right? We have his name? We do have his name.
When did you get my name?
You can make it real easy if you tell me it's yours, because I'm going to run the plates.
Go ahead. And thank you for as a firefighter running a random vehicle's plates that you really don't have a right to run. I'm glad you said it on camera.
We got an open station over here. And you're over here with film. Filming everything.
Correct.
And we've had thieves out of here.
Well, I'm not stealing. You said I'm filming. You never said stealing, right? Oh, this guy. You need to take your blood pressure meds, bud. Jeez, you're gonna have a heart attack, man. He said, "I'm gonna go run those plates." Hey, I'll get the call in when you run the plates.
I'll give you my business.
No, I'll do a public records request. I'll get it when you run the plates. That's good. Go get them. Oh, so that's where they get it from. This is why the gentleman who told me to come over here, because they're gonna act like this, told me to come over here. He specifically said this guy's name as well. That's funny. Oh my goodness. This is hilarious. Well, now I know why he said, hey man, they're gonna act crazy because you guys, obviously your chief acts like an idiot, so why wouldn't you act like an idiot as well? We got the chief over here running a vehicle's number, which I think is funny. Even if it was my vehicle, obviously I wouldn't give a shit if they ran my numbers and got my name. My name's all over the internet. Once I put this video out, everybody's gonna know who I am anyway. Oh, it's funny. I don't need it.
Business card with all my information on it, sir.
Don't need it. That away from me.
For your camera, here's my business card, all the information that's on it. Offering it to this gentleman, he's not accepting it.
Yeah, don't need it. I don't know who told you I needed it or wanted it, but he's blocking a truck in.
I don't think there's another way out.
We're blocking vehicles in now.
I'm just parked there, sir.
That's all. You just parked there.
I'm just parked there.
Right in front of the other vehicle.
What's that?
Right in front of the other vehicle?
We actually don't know whose
I don't
vehicle
know.
that
I
is.
don't know who.
That's normal, right?
That's one of my firefighters' vehicles, I think.
Gotcha. Okay.
It is.
Well, a minute ago, you weren't yelling about getting the name and it's my vehicle and all that stuff.
I gave you my name, Chief.
No. Getting the name off the vehicle. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, I wanted to check and see if it was one of my firefighters, and I think it comes back to him.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So you understand that this is all legal, right? Well, so what was your reasoning for coming and acting the way you did, all irate and yelling and getting crazy like that?
You won't answer my questions. I'm not answering yours.
Oh, you work for the public. Is that correct?
No, I'm volunteer.
For the public.
No, I'm volunteer. I don't work for the public.
Yeah.
I don't get paid.
You volunteer for the public.
No, I'm not.
The Supreme Court has repeatedly ruled that public photography is protected speech, and no policy or personal discomfort overrides that right. They had no legal authority to demand he stop recording, leave the area, or avoid public property. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, police can only demand ID if they have reasonable, articulable suspicion that a person is committing or about to commit a crime. Filming in public is not a crime. The fire chief's threat to run his plates was an egregious violation of the Driver's Privacy Protection Act. The fact that the chief openly admitted on camera that he intended to run a random plate for no lawful reason is a serious privacy violation that could warrant legal consequences. The false claim that the cameraman was damaging a vehicle could also fall under 18 U.S.C. Section 1001, which makes it illegal to knowingly make false statements to law enforcement. If any official filed a false police report, that is a separate crime under state law, one that carries serious penalties. Beyond the legal violations, the intimidation and harassment tactics used by both the police and firefighters could constitute a violation of the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause. Government officials cannot retaliate against citizens simply because they don't like their actions. Respect to the Bay Area transparency. He stood his ground and in doing so, exposed just how little these officials understand the laws they are sworn to uphold. Let's keep going.
How may I assist you today?
Oh, sure.
You're videoing.
Absolutely.
Okay. Tell me what's going on.
What's going on?
It's a courthouse, and so there are extra security precautions. Because it's a courthouse.
So do you give up freedom for security?
I didn't say anything about your freedom.
You're good, ma'am. Yeah.
I didn't say anything about your freedom. I'm just asking who you are.
Yeah.
And what you.
I'm actually declined to answer because we have a Fourth Amendment. Okay. So yeah.
You're going to stay in the public spaces.
Whatever the law prescribes, ma'am.
Are you going to stay in the public spaces?
Have a nice day.
You are making a recording?
I absolutely am.
Okay, well, I am told that is not something that you can be doing in here right now.
Oh, is this open to the public?
It is open to the public.
Okay, then you can record in public space.
Yes, but come with me. Please come with me.
And who are you?
I'm the law librarian.
Oh, okay, cool.
Please come with me.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I'll be right back.
Well, how can I help you?
I don't need any help at all.
Okay.
I didn't call you, so yeah, I think it was her, not me.
Okay.
I'm just here documenting, so.
Documenting what?
For a story, working on content for a story, ma'am. Freedom of press, constitutionally protected activity. Are you the DeKalb County Sheriff's? And what's your name, ma'am?
Lieutenant Heber.
Heber, Lieutenant. Yes. Okay, and what's your name, sir? You said right with a W or R? Corporal. A corporal. Okay. And what's your name, sir?
Sergeant Patterson, Captain Marshal's office.
Okay. Do y'all have body cams? No. Okay. Yeah. Just exercising freedom of press, ma'am. Working on a story here on this beautiful government, or the building that we the people pay for. Is that an issue, or are you gonna enforce feelings today, or the law?
Enforce feelings.
Yeah. She I don't know, apparently I guess my camera assumably made her feel a certain type of way. You're up here. I didn't go into any restricted areas. Here they are right here. See, that was pretty quick, wasn't it?
Huh?
I said it was pretty quick, so they're already here.
Everybody knows you have the right to record, but there's an agenda here that you have.
What's the agenda, sir?
Me. You know what I am?
Who are you?
Don't record me unless you pay me.
I love it. See, he's got the right idea. Gotta kind of capitalize. Isn't America great? How's it going? Oh, wow, they keep going up the food chain, huh?
Yes.
How you doing? What's your name, sir? Sanchez.
Major Sanchez.
Okay.
So cameras are not allowed past the security at the courthouse.
Okay. So they're not, and what's that, what law is that?
Under the Rule 22.
Did you hear what I said? Freedom is not free if you have to ask for permissions. So the case law, sir, is called Bransford v. Hayes. Wherever the public can go, the press can go, sir. Okay. And why? And is there like an administrative order or what's going on?
Yes.
Okay. And
what's the rules of the court? Under Rule 22, you have to have permission for recording device.
Inside the courtroom.
Inside the courthouse.
Nope.
Let them.
Nope. Look at it again. Courtroom.
So let's go and talk outside.
It says courtroom, sir. I've read it several times in Georgia. You know why they have Rule 22 in a courtroom? Let me educate you. It's called a Sixth Amendment, and that's what the conundrum in the case law is. It's the whether or not the Sixth Amendment violation recording inside a courtroom. That's why they made that. That way you can have a fair trial. But the court hallways and the courthouse, it's completely lawful, sir. Being part of the sheriff's department, they specifically work for the people, and they specifically are supposed to uphold the civil rights. That's what defines you between a PD, a police officer, or any other law enforcement agency. And you're setting a horrible representation for the people below you if you remove me from this public space. You understand that, right?
I understand it.
Okay. I'm just telling you, it says courtrooms, and I have never been into a courtroom with my camera today.
No, you say what you have to say.
I did. I know. I'm like you.
Listen to what you have.
Now I'm giving you the. Can I just get a DKSO?
Yes.
I like to get the.
County Sheriff's Office.
You don't have major on your thing like she's got captain.
I don't have a jacket on.
Oh, I see. So if she took her jacket off, then it would just be that.
It would be something similar to this one.
Okay, I got you. The sheriff's department. Okay. Perfect. Am I free to go, or am I free to continue my business through the public areas?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
But you come in with a camera holding it just like that. I just want to come out and tell you are 100% correct.
Oh, about the Rule 22? I appreciate that, sir. I appreciate you looking into it and researching it, and that way you can disperse it through the troops.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. And be safe out there.
All right.
Yeah, God bless you.
All right. So as long as you stay in the public area,
absolutely.
You can do.
Absolutely.
You can film.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
All right.
Have a good day.
Police.